this technology be a real game changer. If leak-free valves can outperform conventional ones, we could see major advancement in industries like aerospace, healthcare, and energy. This is the kind of invention that starts in a research lab but could shape the future of engineering. I'm working on the leak-free valve. This is also called stemless valve. In this project, we noticed that how we can prevent the leakage of hydrogen. There is a big difference between conventional and stemless valves. In stem valve, we got a stem in a valve because this stem is directly connected with the internal mechanism. Time to time, we may face leakage. Hydrogen is very, very toxic for the environment if it got leaked through the stem. So for that purpose, we introduce a stemless or leak-free valve through which we can minimize the leakage, through which we can secure our environment. My name is Muhammad Khalid Miraj Khan. I am studying MSc Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology from University of South Wales.